we'll start how to compare bond length. First, larger the size of atom, greater will be the bond length. Means bond length is directly proportional to size of atom. We know that the size of atom is increased when we go in a periodic table top to down. Okay. For example, HF, HCl, HBr, and HI. We know that the size of HI is larger than the all of atom. So bond length is greater than size of atom. So in this case, HF is less than HCl and HCl is less than HBr and HBr is less than HI. Okay. If bond length is directly proportional to atom, if the atom is same, then what we can do? Then next, bond length is inversely proportional to bond order. For example, single bond C, C double bond C, C triple bond C. The order of C single bond C is 1. The bond order of C double bond is 2, and the bond order of C triple bond is 3. We know that bond length is inversely proportional to bond length. Then in this case, C single bond is greater than C double bond and C double bond is greater than C single bond. If above both case are failed, then the third case is bond length is inversely proportional to electronegativity of bonded atom. Okay. For example, CH, NH, OH, sorry, FH. You know that here carbon is less electronegative of nitrogen and oxygen and fluorine, and the most electronegative element is fluorine in this case. So here is more partial negative and here less partial positive. So electronegative difference of F and H is more greater. So bond length is inversely proportional to electronegativity of bonded atom. So in this case, CH is greater than of NH and NH is greater than of OH and OH is greater than of FS, because the bond length is inversely proportional to electronegativity, and the electronegativity of F and fluorine is higher than the other atom. So fluorine is least fluorine have less bond length. Okay. And the above case are failed, then what we can do next? And fourth is bond length is directly proportional to number of lone pair. Means those atom have more number of lone pair, uh, there will be a more bond length. Okay. For example, CS3, CS3. NH2, NH2, OH and OH, fluorine and fluorine. Okay. In CH3 there is no lone pair. In NH2 NH2 have one lone pair, and in OH and OH bond, OH have two lone pair, and in last fluorine and fluorine, we know that fluorine have three lone pair. So we know that bond length is directly proportional to number of lone pair. So in this case, fluorine have more number of lone pair, than fluorine is greater than all of these atom, and the least bond length have CH3 and CH3. Okay, thanks.